2025 isn't over yet, and if you know about the 80-20 rule, how 80% of results come from 20% of effort, this is your reminder to lock in. The weather's getting cooler, and it's the perfect time to reset before the new year. It's been a while since I've done a full monthly plan with me, so let's sit down, plan November together, and get ready for 2026. My monthly calendar is where I mark important dates, deadlines, and holidays. It's not something I check every day, more of a quick overview of what's coming up. I'm using my Cozy Essentials sticker pack here. They're transparent so I can layer them over text or move them around easily. The 2026 planners are launching this month and they're my favorite ones yet. I've spent weeks designing, hyperlinking, and testing every detail. If you want early access, special pricing, and bonus planning tools, you can sign up through the link below. At the bottom, I like keeping an open space for notes and thoughts. I'll usually crop one of my free monthly wallpapers to use as my background for sticky notes. It just makes planning feel more intentional. If you're new here, you can sign up for my free monthly wallpapers on my site. I only send one email a month. My sticky notes are for my monthly to-dos and intentions. I like seeing how many chances I have in a month. It helps me visualize time and progress. Looking back on older months, it's always interesting to see what changed, what stuck, and what I've actually accomplished. Next is my vision board. I use photos from Pinterest and drag them straight into GoodNotes using the new windowing system on iPad OS 26. Before making a vision board, it helps to think about what goals or feelings you want to focus on this month, not just what looks pretty. For me, sometimes the board barely changes month to month, but I'll update images or quotes when I need a little inspiration. Once my board's done, I'll screenshot it and set it as my wallpaper. That way I see it every day instead of making it once and forgetting about it. The weekly dashboard for my focus planner is the page I use the most. It's simple but keeps me organized and on track. I made a free version for you to try. It's available for the first 100 people only. You can grab it using the link in the description below. This page helps me zoom out, set priorities, and make progress without overplanning. I've also been using my Notion dashboard lately for big picture planning. I've been writing one thought a day. It helps me see patterns and separate my own ideas from the noise online. I also keep a digital garden here. It's kind of like a reading list, but for everything that inspires me. Articles, books, photos, podcasts. It's much better than having 100 tabs open. And that's all for my November plan with me. 2026 planners are coming out this month, and I can't wait for you to see them. Sign up for early access using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.